This is a tour of our cabin, 15351, naturally on the 15th deck, starboard side. This is a balcony cabin. And here we go. All right, remember you have to have your key in the slot to keep the lights on. But on Carnival, you can use any kind of card. MSC is a little different. It has to be your room card. All right, so here we are. We are pretty much dead center of the ship. One room or one deck below the pool deck, which we really have never heard too much commotion or anything because we were in the room right next to it back in April. Here's your thermostat. Again, it's hot in here, just hit that, blue light will come on and you'll hear it kick on a little bit harder. There you go, if you heard that. And then we have closets. Same thing, if you want to make the closet bigger, just push it up and lock it into place. Same thing on the opposite side. You got your safe, which I like the digital safe that you can put in your own code. Some are still swipes. That's your other closet. All right, across the hall, you have 3 hanging pins and your restroom. Regular standard bathroom, again with the door that pivots kind of into the middle a little bit. That keeps it from opening up into you. And I do not like shower curtains, so that works for me. All right, swinging around. You have your light switches there on the bed that you can control most of the lights. You pull these up, they can turn on. You push them back in, they turn off. And then they have a USB port on each side of the bed with a little nightstand right there. You got your 50-inch TV right in front of the bed, your sofa, and then your desk with your lights. Turn those off. And then you have 4 USB ports, 3 110 outlets. And if you notice on here, they don't have any European outlets. And then you have your drawer. And then you have your hairdryer, which should be in this one, and it is, and it's in a bag, naturally. Your refrigerator. Terry's already put her Diet Cokes in there. And then again, you have more lights over here because this will turn into a bed as well. Outside, you have your extended balcony, which is pretty far. You got 2 lounge chairs, your chair and tables. That comes right out here to the balcony. Now, last cruise in April, we were right next door. So we got a little bit more toward the center. And then here's an overall of your room with Terry unpacking. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that notification bell. Say hi, Terry. Time to unpack.